Hello, everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of our podcast. My name is Manas, and this is my co host, Nitya Bhatia. Hello, Nitya. What's up?
Hi guys. I don't know why I'm saying hi guys and hi friends in this very strange manner. Last two episodes. But I guess it's become my USP. But someone's looking very happy today.
I'm always happy.
खुशी.
I'm always happy.
हाँ, झूठ.
No,
आज आज ऐसी क्या खुशी है जो झलक रही है चेहरे पे आपके?
actually, मुझे याद नहीं है, but like I had a really good dream, and whenever I dream, I usually like the day and then दिन बहुत अच्छा जाता है उसके बाद. So
What kind of a dream did you have?
I literally don't remember, but any sort of dream works for me. And it doesn't have to be dream. It can be, nightmare as well. Because my life has been become so boring. Like it has always been. So like whenever I see anything interesting in my dream, like, falling off the cliff, गलती से किसी धक्का मार दिया होता है, or, like any sort of, car or bus accident, or, like somebody's chasing you, tigers chasing you, lions chasing you.
Uh,
I'm in the middle of
okay.
any sort of thing.
Uh,
So
Bizarre pleasures. So you're saying that accidents and people getting killed and you getting run over by a car is what brings you joy,
no,
and that's the reason for you to smile today.
it's not just limited to that. Any sort of thing, when sometimes, I dream of something, not dream like for instance, I'm longing to eat something, and I really want to eat that, and I would, just sleep thinking about it, and it would come in my dream, and next I don't want to eat that anymore because my body, for some reason, or mind thinks that I already had it in my dreams. So these are this so surreal. I really like it. Like sometimes I get to, see somebody
Wow.
who I miss a lot.
Imagine if we could eradicate world hunger like that. सपने में देख लिया, खा लिया.
जी, जी, मैं बोल थोड़ा सा डोंट टेक इट इतना डीप नहीं है बस कर दो बट एनी टाइम लाइक आई जस्ट if I want to do something, if I can't do that in real life, like seeing somebody, after a long time, or just missing someone and just having conversation in my dream, like I just like see just suppose कि मुझे कुछ डरावना सपना देखना है because sort of my life has been boring, तो कुछ डरावनी चीज देख लूंगा just before going to sleep, and that would do the trick for me. If I want to go on a little adventure, I would do that. For instance, I just watched Shadow and Bones last night. I completed it around like 3 o'clock, and so I was dreaming about that, like almost like there was
So
like some.
you consciously have the capacity of directing your dreams. Like how do you know that तुमने previous night horror देखा तो रात को horror ही आएगा?
No, no, it's not like that. Ki, although ki it's exactly what I want, but sometimes I try it. Like I can consciously try to think about it. Ki, oh,
Yeah.
I need to dream
Trap
about
it in
this,
your subconscious somehow.
and it doesnn't like come out like exactly like how I want it, but like if you think about like properly, like if you tell yourself your brain ki aaj iska हमें सोचना है, like ऐसे dream आने चाहिए, it sometimes does work, and sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes I dream something else about something else. But overall, if I dream at night, then I consider that a successful sleep. So that's a good thing because I always feel energetic. When you wake up from that, jolt. Oh my God, I just fell from cliff, or chat se, or from rooftop or some whatever. You feel
The
super.
adrenaline. And like,
Yeah,
oh my god, you wake up sweating, like you physically sweating after that when you get I hate those kind of dreams and they
dude.
give you
Sometimes,
some sort of bizarre thing.
sometimes I'm like crying, but I'm not actually crying in real life. So, when I wake up, I'm like, and then look around. Like, okay, that was something, and then I go back to sleep. But it's fun, right? Well, because I don't usually cry every single day, so like it's sort
Sure.
of fun. It's sort of fun, just to get those
uh,
emotions out. That's good.
Accidents,
As long as
Rona sounds
as
like
long as
fun.
as long as I'm not peeing in my dream, then it's fine. Because people do that
Oh
actually.
god. Yeah, bladder check is important before you go to sleep in the night, especially in winters because gosh, that really sucks.
Dude, I
And
literally do this. So like when
yeah.
my body is like my alarm clock. So if I have to wake up really early, I'll drink like ample amount of water that I can, if I move and turn around, I can literally feel water shifting. There's a tank, there's a bottle, maybe if you just move it, literally feels like that. So it works wonders. Like
Yeah.
if you want to wake up really early, do that. Just do this trick. Have a lot
Make
of.
yourself so uncomfortable. इतना पानी पी लो कि सुबह उठना ही पड़ेगा. Wow, I should try that sometime.
It's
Uh,
actually it works. You should try
I
it.
guess that's what people did before alarms existed. And yeah, I think also like dreams remind me of, you know, how I have these strange sort of dreams, and they come very rarely. Once in a while, when they do, it's so weird. There have been times that, like, you know, I, of course, like, you know, I hate mornings and I hate waking up early. But there are times, and if my mom is, so usually my mom is the one who wakes up early, but if there are times if she's busy meditating or doing something else, and 8 बजे दूध वाला आ जाता है, कोई आता है सुबह, oh god, I have to open the door. So I'm dreaming, in the middle of dreaming something, and usually that is the time I'll be having my best sort of dream. It always happens when I have to wake up early in the morning. So that's when it gets annoying, and I wake up to open the door, and I take the milk, put it in the freezer in a half asleep state, and I'm consciously telling myself that I have to go back to sleep and I must get sleep, because you're afraid ki, oh my god, neend na khul jaye. And then I go back to sleep, and literally where the dream paused, it's like you're pressing play and it continues from there. I've had this strange sort of dream sequence couple of times.
uh,
And
I don't know, ऐसा तो मेरे से कभी नहीं हुआ, but like what happens is like I'm very very very, you know, मैं I zone out like when I sleep, which everyone does, but I'm not at all conscious whatsoever. So one time, like, you know, in case like motor off करनी है और on करनी है, कुछ करना है, sometimes I do that stuff and I forget about it कि मैंने off कर दी है and I'm sleeping. And I'm like, oh
yeah.
shit, मैंने किया नहीं. And these like कि तूने कर दिया था, relax, तू you went there, calm down. And sometimes I'm like कि दोपहर में worst are the naps, like afternoon naps, because
Oh my god,
after taking
yes.
that, sometimes, you know, you wake up
You feel it's a morning? You feel
when
it's a morning?
it's dark outside, you're like कि shit, अगला दिन हो गया क्या, 5 अभी सुबह के बजे, रात के and it's
Exactly.
so confusing, it's so disorienting.
मैंने शाम को उठ के इतनी बार ब्रश किया है, पता है?
Well,
Like at some 6 p.m., 7 p.m. in the evening, I've woken up and brushed my teeth. And I'm like, सुबह का time हो गया. And then I'm like, oh my god. आप like, you know, लोग ऐसे evening walk पे जा रहे हैं बाहर. So
but
yeah, I get
so
that.
another funny thing is, so not क्या होता है, not related to naps, but like there have been times, you know, when I was kid, I would wake up in the middle of the night and everything would be dark, so I could not see anything, you know. So I would sleep between my parents, my dad on the one side and my mom on the other side. And sometimes, you know, I would just look at my dad and it's so dark, I cannot, you know, make out if it's the back of his head facing me, or if it's, you know, if he's actually facing me. And then you would start imagining ki, is he smiling and looking at me like in a sinister way. And then I would, yeah, and to confirm, you know, my fears, I would actually touch it and would be like, okay, पीछे है, पापा का पीछे का सर it's okay, बाल है.
Oh
लेकिन
god.
कोई नहीं हंस रहा मेरे पे, like you know, like I've seen in the scary movie. So that's been.
Yeah, yeah. So usually, I mean, you know, you would have watched a very creepy or scary film before that or the previous night, because this has happened with me, and I still regret it. I think in 2007 or 8, I don't exactly remember which year, but I was young enough. I had a very delicate and fragile mind, young enough to be so afraid and scared. So the previous night, evening, I had gone to a friend's house. It was her birthday, and I don't know why, but she decided to play 1920, the horror film. I think Mahesh Bhatt की थी, किसकी थी? And oh god, and usme, like, you know, before the movie plays, trailer में the actress doesn't have eyeballs because she gets possessed. And I was like, at that time 7-8 बच्चे थे. I'm like, हाँ हाँ, उसमें क्या है, ये तो होता है, horror film, ये तो normal. And that night, my second cousins had come over for a night stay, and I was sharing the room with my mom and my grandmom, and I was sleeping in between. And I turned to my left at some unearthly hour of the night, and I opened my eyes, and I saw my mom sleeping. I mean, I thought I saw my mom sleeping. So yeah, so I look towards the bathroom and I see my mom standing there. And I'm like, यहाँ कौन सो रहा है मेरे बगल में? And that 1 second I just felt कि मतलब, like, I just felt कि कोई मेरी आत्मा चुराने वाला है इस रात को. I think, like, I felt I'm not going to make it through the night. That night. And then I suddenly realized that that was my cousin, because she was really like small. She would have come and just lay beside me some hour of the night, and my mom had gone to the washroom. But for a few seconds I literally felt like this is it. हो गया सब कुछ. जी ली जिंदगी. हो गया बस.
And it
खत्म.
happens, you know. So stranger वाला चीज ना क्या होता है, we don't know कि क्या हो रहा है. Like again, talking about how stupid I am when I sleep. So once, like when I was a kid, we were traveling, and I think we were in train or something, and we got down. I was sleeping, and मेरी mom किसी ने मुझे उठाया कि चल चल नीचे उतरना है. तो मैं किसी
Hmm.
random stranger का हाथ पकड़ के चल रहा हूँ. I'm in so much sleep,
Oh God,
only to look up,
sleep deprivation.
and only to realize it after a few seconds or something. You कौन है? And I'm like, मम्मी. फिर देखा पीछे, मॉम तो पीछे, फिर मैं फट से उनके पास भागा. So it has been like ऐसा होता रहता है.
माँ को भूल गई अपने.
डूड, द फनी थिंग इज, क्या होता है, जो पब्लिक वाली चीज़ मैं बोल रहा था ना. सो
हाँ.
इन मेट्रो, अब तो मैं कहता, आई एम अडल्ट नाउ. सो पता नहीं क्या. सो
हाँ, दिखने में बस.
सो पता नहीं क्या, इन मेट्रो आई गेस, नॉट आई गेस, मेट्रो में था. सो आई वाज स्लीपिंग, राइट. तो इन मेट्रो ना, आई हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट इट, क्योंकि ना मैं, व्हेन यू स्लीपिंग, बैठे बैठे ना, तो यू आर सपोज टू स्विंग टुवर्ड्स वन साइड, कहीं ना कहीं तो लीन होते हो, या लेफ्ट या राइट, ठीक है.
Yeah,
एंड आई एम वेरी, एक दो बार हुआ था कि मैं किसी पे ऑलमोस्ट गिर गया, बिकॉज पीपल डू दैट, होता है, ठीक है. एंड आई एम वेरी मीन.
yeah.
जब मेरे साइड में कोई ऐसे सो रहा है ना, आई लेट देम लीन प्रॉपरली. फिर अचानक से रिमूव माई शोल्डर. और फिर अचानक मैं, "ओ, ये क्या हुआ?" मेट्रो चल रही है ना. And they're like, "Oh, sorry, sorry." You should be. And I can see the entire scene playing,
So
in
you
front of the.
wait. Wow. So you like totally plan this. You like अच्छे से पूरा बॉडी वेट डाल दे और जैसे ही सर आएगा शोल्डर पे उसी टाइम हटाऊंगा.
No, तो मैं पूरी चीजें देखता हूँ अच्छे से, ठीक है. You can see yourself in the
You
reflection, ठीक है.
plot you plot it completely.
हाँ, so you
पूरा
can see yourself.
मतलब you.
So you can see yourself in the reflection, mirror में जो सामने होता है. So I can see them. तो मैं देखता हूँ, झुक रहा है. They're leaning properly. अब पूरा, they got comfortable. So, oops. And the funny thing is how they react. Sorry, sorry.
That's so insensitive.
So
क्या यार?
at
Not
this,
even a shoulder to cry on or sleep. What is this? क्या सहारा दोगे तुम?
so I make sure that I don't do that. So एक बार ऐसा हुआ कि I held on to my bag, and मैं ऐसे सो गया. जैसे I've seen people, do that. They just rest their head at the back, and they just go to sleep. So I tried the same, only to just wake up after 5 or 10 minutes with my mouth open, and everybody, बहुत packed होती है रांची चौक और metro. तो लोग
Yeah.
सामने खड़े, and they can see inside of my mouth, और मैं ऐसे सो रहा.
हाँ. पूरा पूरा ब्रह्मांड
फूल
दिख रहा है.
आने वाला है, ठीक है. हम लोग, सॉरी.
Oh
So
God,
awkward.
mouth open reminds me, you see films like Ghost of like Patrick Swayze and like Demi Moore and like other like so many other films where you see like the actress is sleeping and she's looking so pretty and so like so poised and like amazing while she's sleeping. And हमारे यहाँ like राले टपक रहे थे हाँ मुंह खोल के सो रही. I look so unattractive and disgusting when I'm sleeping. And I'm like, hi. And it's such a contrast to how people are shown asleep, in films versus how it is in reality. So yeah, and also accompanied by some very embarrassing evidence
Dude,
that you'll
again, so
see on
we're
the
talking
screen.
about, sleeping, and how we look, वगैरह. First of all, sleeping is a very, private cheese. It's a very intimate thing. So please don't ever disturb me. Come in my space. That's it. So, but when I sleep, so I've been in hospitals. So when I have to sleep, जब मुझे पता है ना कि इतनी सी space है for attendance or something, I will sleep on a stool. It's not an issue. इतना सा bed पे space है. I just have to sleep in this. तो I'll sleep like that. बट when my brain knows ना कि यहाँ पर अब तू घर पे है, तो तू कितना भी टर्न कर सकता है इन्फिनाइट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम्स, और तू घूमता जाएगा. सो एज यू कैन सी द बेड बिहाइंड मी. सो मैं बीच में सोता हूँ, ठीक है, आराम से फैल के.
Comfort
प्रॉपर.
space,
आई एम
yeah.
जस्ट किडिंग, मैं वैसे फैल के नहीं
Our
सोता.
beds are
आई
right here ready to take us in when we zone out.
सो सो आई यूजली स्लीप लाइक अ ज़ॉम्बी, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट, बिकॉज ऐसे ही सोना चाहिए. जो भी है तो.
सोना चाहिए. I keep rotating. I
आई
am
ऑल्सो टर्न.
never, yeah, a lot.
नो, मेरा टर्न कुछ ऐसा होता है कि क्या होता है, आई, पता नहीं, व्हेन आई गेट टायर्ड, कि मैं ऐस थोड़ी दर्द कर रही है, सो रहा हूँ, जस्ट सिटिंग, लेइंग इन दिस वन पोजीशन, सो आई जस्ट टर्न,
I
अदरवाइज.
make these I have these very strange positions and postures when I'm sleeping, and I usually wake up with strange spondylitis or like bad shoulder aches because of that, because I sleep in very strange positions.
So as you can see the bed behind me, so it happened, I guess, last year, not last year, last year, yeah, because it was not pandemic. So I was sleeping day, पता नहीं क्या रात को सपने आ रहे थे. I'm like turning around and everything, and just next to my bed, जिस यहाँ पर ही, is my अलमीरा, ठीक है, wardrobe, जो भी कहना.
Hmm.
ठीक है. So I was just turning and twisting whatever. पता नहीं क्या हुआ, मैं घूमता और ना जैसे टाइगर श्रॉफ कोई मूवी, एक्शन मूवी का सीक्वेंस होता है ना, लाइक जस्ट लाइक दैट, मैंने ऐसे ऊपर पता नहीं क्या गया, इतनी तेज कि मेरा पैर लगा. माय टोज हिट द वार्डरोब सो, so bad that it was so bad, like I literally, इतनी तेज की धम आवाज आई ना, my sister came running कि क्या हुआ, मैं कुछ नहीं हुआ, now in so much pain. So initially I was like it's fine, थोड़ा सा दर्द हो रहा है, थोड़ा नहीं बहुत दर्द हो रहा था,
Ouch.
it's fine, maybe I'm in sleep so I cannot comprehend everything. But next day I woke up with a really swollen toe. And then we went to hospital, and then we got to know it's a fracture. It's fine, but जो भी है.
Wow, you managed to fracture your foot while you were asleep.
Yeah, and when I told a doctor, he was asking, "How did it happen? What
Amazing.
happened? Were you playing or something?" Like, "No, no, I was sleeping actually. I just fell off my bed."
Wow, the safest way to not get injured is usually when you're sleeping, but I guess you've redefined that
Dude,
and you've
so
completely changed the course of history.
people think that if you're sleeping, you're the safest, and you're in the safest place and everything. So,
Yeah, not anymore.
one of my major fear is that what if the fan falls on my face or something, क्योंकि ऊपर तो होता है बिल्कुल face के ऊपर, चलते
Uh,
चलते नीचे गिर गया, क्या हो गया. Recently my sister showed me a video, I guess it's of a gym in Japan or Korea or something, and they were basically standing, and पता नहीं कैसे all of a sudden the fan got unhinged, unhooked, जो भी कहते हैं, and suddenly fell. Banda, like the guy was lucky, so he sort of dodged it. Otherwise, soch. This is one of the worst fears. So if I can get fractured while sleeping on my bed, then anything can happen.
well, I sincerely pray that you dream of the fan falling on you while you're sleeping because that will give you a good adrenaline when you wake up the next morning because that's the sort of dream that you really enjoy.
शर्म तो आती है, तो कैसे कैसे बातें करती है. But yeah,
इसी में तो मजे आते हैं.
so I can like remember another story, like इसी साल हुई थी. So on the new year, so like I told you, I do not, I'm not that conscious when I'm in this, in that sleep deprivation position, जो भी है, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा नींद में था मैं. So I was sleepy. So it was around like 12 a.m. or something, and I'm like, my friends are texting me happy new year and everything. I'm so bad around like 12 o'clock or something. Not bad क्या होता है कि
Yeah.
I'm a bad boy,
You don't
but
have to tell me that after what I experienced for your birthday.
so so I my friends are texting and calling me happy birthday. We did a small video call, जो भी है देखो मैं लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है. And before sleeping I just texted somebody happy birthday bitches, ठीक है. And I went to sleep. I woke up in the morning to find out that I accidentally sent it to one of the really senior relative of mine. And they were like, "What is this behavior?" And I was so embarrassed. I was so
Yeah,
embarrassed. Like, I
Pooja.
cannot. I was like, I cannot come back from this. Like, what have I done? But
गए संस्कार तुम्हारे.
ठीक है, थोड़ा टाइम में टपक जाएंगे. So it's not.
हाँ
It's okay.
वाओ. हाँ टपक जाएंगे तो फिर भूल जाएंगे. You can never win that trust again. आदर्श बैठा था और क्या सोचा क्या समझा ये भेजा तुमने.
But yeah, like सोते सोते मेरे को कुछ मत बोलना, क्या होता है. I can give you all the codes. कुछ भी.
Oh yeah, that reminds me. Like sleep for me is precious, and also it's very critical because I like you guys know I'm a writer and a poet, and many a times it's happened that most of the content I get for my poetry is through my dreams. It's very strange, but it happens so often that the beginning of a poem or the topic or the theme of what I'm writing, it literally appears as words or as a script while I'm dreaming. And that is why it's very important for me to dream. Like I wait for dreams. I look forward to them because and that's why I have to always sleep with a notebook and pen beside me. Like next to my bedside, there's always a pen and notebook because I am so afraid of that thought disappearing as soon as I wake up. So I instantly try to jot down whatever I remember and my thoughts because of that. So, guys, just remember that life is nothing but it's a long dream.
So keep sleeping and do not wake up. And we'll see you next time in your dreams. Bye.
A nightmare. Bye, guys.